passion is a powerful force for product design. Being able to tap into a limitless swell of energy and motivation to chase our goals with unrelenting determination and the strength to be resilient in the face of adversity and to keep moving forward. Thoughtful design has the power to improve people's lives and make everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Design gives a chance to express in a way that words cannot, and to connect with others in a way that is uniquely personal. Constantly seeking out new challenges and opportunities to grow and innovate. With every new project is an opportunity to push the boundaries of what is possible and to create something truly special. The thrill of bringing a concept to life and seeing it come to fruition never gets old. Design has the power to change the world in ways you can't even imagine. Embrace your passion and let it guide you on your journey to create products that make a real impact. Passion for design is not just a hobby or a job. At Dezcore, it's a way of life.